I'm Myron Ferguson, that drywall guy. I've been in the drywall business for over 30 years. I'm here to tell you about Ad4's high-performance drywall tapes for the professional and the do-it-yourselfer. Mold-X10 self-adhesive fiberglass drywall tape is ideal for use with paperless or mold-resistant drywall systems. The anti-microbial coating repels mold and mildew. The tape is thin and strong for smooth, long-lasting joints. Let me show you how easy it is to install. The Mold-X10 is applied directly over the seam before any joint compound is applied. Because it's self-adhesive, it sticks right to the drywall. I usually take my taping knife and make sure it's embedded tightly. Now I'm going to embed the tape in joint compound. The tape is firmly embedded in joint compound. Next would be a fill coat over the tape, which you would typically do after the compound is dry. But I want to show you how easy it is to apply the fill coat, so I'm going to do it now even though it isn't dry. What the fill coat does is it conceals the tape and starts blending the seam into the drywall. Apply the compound, and then I smooth it off with my trowel. Once this fill coat dries, I would lightly sand it and then apply a thin finish coat. And when that thin finish coat is dry, you just lightly sand and you're ready for primer.